A bouquet of roses placed on the table. Option B is, a bouquet of roses is placed on the table. This book is than that one. Option A, more interesting, this book is more interesting than that one. He behaves as if he the boss. Option C, he behaves as if he were the boss. I haven't seen her a long time. Option D, I haven't seen her for a long time. You should avoid late to class. Option B, you should avoid being late to class. The sun in the east. Option C, rises, the sun rises in the east. We must finish the work Sunday. Option D, we must finish the work by Sunday. The teacher told you is noise. Option B, not to make, the teacher told you is not to make noise. I'd rather at home today. Option A, stay, I'd rather stay at home today. We reached the station time. Option B, on, we reached the station on time. You like tea or coffee? Option D, do you like tea or coffee? The apples in the basket fresh. Option C, the apples in the basket are fresh. He spoke so fast that I understand him. Option B, couldn't, he spoke so fast that I couldn't understand him. You not smoke here. Option D, must, you must not smoke here. I prefer reading watching TV. Option C. 2. I prefer reading to watching TV. We went out. It was raining. Option A. Although, we went out although it was raining. There is milk left in the fridge. Option C. Little, there is little milk left in the fridge. She is talented hardworking. Option D. And she is talented and hardworking. The jury reached a verdict. Option C. Has, the jury has reached a verdict. By the time you read this, I arrived. Option A. Will have, by the time you read this, I will have arrived.